What's that? What are those?
Look.
Let's see. What's those? Jackson, what are those? It's just a light. It's okay. What are these? That's too distracting.
Okay, you mean turn it off?
Oh,
Tell me
okay.
turn it off.
Turn it off, please.
There. Okay.
What's that?
All right.
That's old timey. We don't know what that is. What's that?
No, that's not it.
Is it Office?
Huh?
What's that? Let's go to this page. What's that?
Juice.
What are those?
In the boot. Hey, fuck.
Very good.
Fire.
Very good.
T.
Good job.
That's cut.
Daddy
T.
needs to cut that tree, doesn't he? What's that?
Fire.
Butterfly. What is this?
Baby.
And you push it in a what? You and Paisley rode in one today? Stroller? Yeah. What's that?
That's sissy shit.
Sissy shirt. Good job. Oh, what's that?
2 cats.
2 cats. Very good. What is that?
Puppy.
2
2 puppies.
What's this?
And a bunny.
Bunny.
2 puppies.
2 puppies. 1, 2. What's this?
Fish.
Fish kiss. Oh, what's that?
Animal.
Animals. What's that?
That's pig.
Very good. What's this?
Toasty.
Good job.
What about toasty?
Red horsey. Me too. What's this?
Miko.
Moo cow. What is this?
Chicken.
Very good. What's that?
Elephant.
Elephant. Good
Show
job.
Daddy. Hey, what does the elephant do, Jackson?
Do it again. What's that?
Look at me. What's the elephant do?
Do your hand. Do your arm up in there. Very good. What is that big thing?
Bear. That's bear.
Yeah, that's a bear and that's a what? Lion? What is that? Ooh, ooh.
Owl.
Very good.
What's that? What's that?
Beaver.
Good job, zebra. What's that? Eating a banana. What is that? What is that?
That's a monkey.
Good job. You said all of the animals. All right. The end.
Jackson, you're smart.
So smart.
Hey,
What else are you? You is kind. You is
I see white.
hang on. Tell it. Is it kind? Say it.
You is kind.
And can and more and bunny.
Yes,
Yeah.
baby. That was so good.